Hey everyone! Today I'm going to walk you through Unity Catalog, Databricks' unified governance solution that's transforming how organizations manage their data assets at scale. If you're working with data lakes, dealing with compliance requirements, or struggling with access control across multiple workspaces, the Databricks-based Delta Lake solution is the way forward. In the next few minutes, we'll explore how the Databricks-based Delta Lake solution and Unity Catalog deliver enterprise-grade security, fine-grained access control, comprehensive governance, and seamless data sharing, all in one platform, at scale, with a significantly lower total cost of ownership. Let me share a real-world implementation with you. This particular project was executed for a company that's a global leader in location data and map technology platforms. They move people, businesses, and cities forward by harnessing the power of location intelligence. Here's the challenge they faced. They collect massive volumes of GPS probe data across various roads, intersections, and geolocations worldwide. The data resides on Amazon S3 in the form of compressed JSON files. The JSON structure itself is highly nested with embedded data points for each vehicle on the map, making it complex to process and analyze efficiently. Unity Catalog provided a single, centralized metastore that spans across all their Databricks workspaces. This eliminated siloed governance policies and fragmented metadata management. Everything is cataloged in one place with a three-level namespace: catalog, schema, and table. We implemented governance policies, access controls, and audit logs at the catalog level. Specifically, we were engaged to create an MVP for a traffic analytics solution using the Databricks platform and Unity Catalog features. With over 100 billion data points captured from GPS probes, the customer wanted to run analytical queries leveraging Delta Lake features. Our work involved benchmarking their existing AWS native stack versus Databricks, proving the efficiency of the Databricks platform. We ran benchmarks on 8 to 10 queries across both platforms, AWS Glue/Athena and Databricks SQL, measuring query execution time and cost on identical cluster sizes. The results were remarkable. The Databricks platform outperformed all queries using both Delta and Iceberg file formats, delivering 15x to 20x improvement over AWS EMR query performance. The tables were strategically partitioned by year, month, and day to boost query performance. Job pipelines were implemented in both real-time mode using streaming pipelines, as well as batch mode for maximum flexibility. Unity Catalog enforced identity-based access control throughout the implementation. Every user and service principal was authenticated through the customer's identity provider, with all access tied to their identity, eliminating anonymous access and shared credentials. Unity Catalog automatically captured detailed audit logs for every data access operation. Who accessed what data? When? From where? What actions did they perform? Unity Catalog provided all the controls the customer needed: data discovery, access tracking, retention policies, and the ability to quickly identify and manage sensitive data across their entire lakehouse. Delta sharing was used for secure data sharing from their lakehouse with external organizations, partners, or customers without copying data, without setting up complex ETL pipelines, and without requiring recipients to use Databricks. The process is straightforward. Select the tables you want to share, create a share object in Unity Catalog, and generate a secure sharing link. Recipients can access this data using any Delta sharing compatible tool, whether that's Pandas, Apache Spark, Power BI, or their own custom applications. So there you have it. Databricks and Unity Catalog bring together everything you need for modern data analytics at scale and governance: centralized metadata management, granular security controls, comprehensive audit trails, and seamless data sharing capabilities. Whether you're managing a small team or governing data across a global enterprise, Unity Catalog scales with you while keeping everything secure, compliant, and accessible. Thanks for watching.